Hi, welcome to class. We will start with a deaf culture tip. How do you call a deaf person? Remember that a deaf person cannot hear you. So you simply tap the shoulder, maintain eye contact, and start the conversation. I hope that you have been practicing the alphabets. Today, we will start from letter S to Z. Are we ready? Flex your fingers and we start. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? We sign together. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay? That was easy, right? So now we will do the alphabet from A to Z. All right? All right? Okay, let's get ready. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Congratulations! Before we finish our class, I want to give you homework. Number 1, practice to spell both your names. Number 2, practice how to spell all your family members' names. All right? Bye-bye. Bye. I love you.